Hi students, so today we are going to perform another practical of the filtration. So in this video we'll going to see the process of filtration. See, I have this is the funnel, this is the beaker. I have placed funnel inside this beaker like this, and for the process of filtration we need a filter paper. It's the filter paper, we are going to use it. In this small beaker I have water and the chalk powder, solution of water and the chalk powder. Using this rod I am going to just dissolve it here. See, this is the solution of the chalk powder and the water. So this is your experiment in your lab manual as well. So I am going to perform it and then you have to write it in your lab manuals. And for the process of sedimentation we have done that already. So let's see. Using this filter paper, this is the filter paper round. What we have to do, I'm going to make it half like this, fold it half and then again back here. Like this, we are going to make this kind of pattern, and then I'm going to put it inside this funnel. This is the setup for the process of filtration. So let's see, this is the beaker, funnel and the filter paper. Now this is the solution of the chalk powder and the water. So now I am going to pour this solution into this filter paper and we'll see all the chalk powder or the residue of the chalk powder will be remain behind or the left behind on the filter paper, and only the water will be entered or passed through this funnel and will be collected into this beaker. We'll see. We are going to add this like this, but slowly. As you can see, water starts to pass out into this beaker, drop by drop. We pour it inside this filter paper and then we'll wait. The water passes through the funnel and collected into the beaker like this. It's visible. See its solution. Look, it's being settled down at the bottom. Chalk powder is heavier than the water, that's why it is settled down at the bottom, and this is the sedimentation. I have already gave you the video for that. See the water, you can see clearly it doesn't contain any chalk powder. It's a bit transparent. I wouldn't say that it is pure, but it's clear. This is the process of filtration. So in the process of filtration we need all these apparatus. All the chalk powder will remain at the surface of this filter paper, that is called as the residue, and the water that has been collected inside this is pure, doesn't contain any chalk powder. Because filter paper, it has its pore doesn't allow to pass the chalk powder through the paper, that's why we use it. See, we'll wait. Now I have poured all the water. Now we have to wait for a while. Let's see. So it's been a while. You can see clearly the water. Now the water level has risen up. All the water that was inside this funnel has been collected into this beaker. You can see clearly the color. It doesn't contain any chalk powder, because all the chalk powder has been collected over this filter paper. Let me take it out, show you. You can see this white, this is the white substance, this is the chalk powder that has been collected over this filter paper, and this filter paper doesn't allow it to pass through it only the water has been passed. See, it's clearly visible, right? I'll take this filter paper out and cap this in this china dish. This is called as the china dish apparatus. If I'll open it and show you, all this white substance, this is called as the residue, chalk powder. So that's it. It was the process of filtration. So in the next video we are going to do something else. We'll explore something else. Till then, watch the video and do this practical in your lab manual as well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.